Hello guys, in this video you are going to learn how to track an object when it goes outside the frame. A lot of time it happens that when you are tracking an object, it goes outside the frame. So for those cases we can use a tracker offset feature and offset our tracking area to another area. So hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Hers and without wasting time, let's get started. Alright guys, I am in my comp right now. Here you can see our footage. If I play the footage, here you can see this is a simple panning shot. Let's suppose your task is to remove these lights over here. So what you will do basically is you will create a clean plate over here and attach that with the tracking information. So how to get that tracking information? You use the tracker node simply. If I go through the footage here, you can see after frame number 82, it's going outside the frame. So in these cases we can use a tracker offset feature. With the tracker offset feature we can find an alternative feature point that stays on the forward frames. So let's see how it will work. Take a tracker node, hit tab and type tracker and connect this to the read node. We have the tracker settings over here. Click one on tracker to view through the tracker. Come to the first frame. To place a tracker over a certain point, just hold Ctrl and Alt and click on a point where you want to place a tracker. Let's place the tracker over here. Adjust your tracker. Now to track forward, you have two options. You can either click over here which says track to end or use the hotkey which is V. You can see your tracker over here also. Alright guys, so here you can see the track is stopped at frame number 81. After the frame number 81, it is going outside the frame, as you can see. So to track these, we have to offset this tracker to an alternative area. You can see that this pole is staying throughout the frame. So what we have to do is drag this tracker over here, hold Ctrl and drag this tracker from the anchor point over here. This yellow line is the connection between two offset features. Now after this, just hit V again to track it forward. You can see the tracker over here also. You can also increase the size of this viewer. As you can see, our tracking is now finished. And now to reset this tracking offset, you have to go to that frame where you started the offset on frame number 81 and click on this clear offset option. Now as you can see, our tracking is now finished. So this is how you can use the tracker offset feature. Now I will show you a simple way to remove these lights. Take a transform mask node, hit tab and type transform mask and click on this. Now connect this transform to this read node and press 1 to view. Now let's draw a mask over here. Hit O on your keyboard and draw a mask like this. Select all the points and hit Z to smooth and feather it out. Now connect this mask option in the transform to the rotor node and double click on this transform to show up its properties. Now in the X, we will set it to negative. As you can see, it's moving out. We'll set it in Y also. Feather the edges of this rotor node to blend properly. Now again come to the transform node and transform it more. Now here as you can see, if I disable this, you can see our light is prepped out from here. Similarly you can do this for this also. Now this is only for one frame, as you can see if I go forward and backward. So now we can use this tracker. Hit Ctrl C to copy, select this rotor node and press Ctrl V. It will attach the tracker directly after the rotor node. Double click on this tracker, go in the transform tab of the tracker and click on this transform none to match move and reference frame, set it to the current frame where you created the mask. Close the property over here. Now if I compare the input and transform, hit 1 on this read node and 2 on this transform. Now if I compare, you can see this light is spread out. You maybe need to animate a roto a little bit to tweak the edges. You have to adjust a little bit of this roto. Disable this transform node. Adjust this roto over here like this. Go forward. Alright guys, so that's how you can use this tracker offset feature in the Nuke. I hope you learned from this video. Thanks for watching. See you next Sunday.